because the whole construct about healing, psychotherapy, and alternative ways of healing is being in a way that okay, you're here, and there are two separate people. One has got all the power, and the other is not wise. It's like doctors. So I have a disease, and you are the doctor. So you
Sure.
tell me what is wrong with me, and whatever you will tell me,
I'll do that.
I will. It's like literally when you go to a doctor, and if the doctor asks you, or do you have even itching on your skin, and all of a sudden you start to like, yeah, I have. Yes, I have. Or okay, are you drinking a lot of water nowadays, and you feel very anxious and thirsty? Oh, yes, I do. So everything starts to become, because it's like that's the authority, and whatever this person says, and that is right. So that was a deal breaker for me. So that led me onto another quest. So first there was restlessness on this journey of from fabric to frequency, and then when I understood frequencies and consciousness, not understood, I'm still understanding it, then there was another big confusion for me that I probably am doing something which I'm not fully integrated with. And that actually led me to leave everything. And I was like, okay, now there's a third domain also. Sab kuch chhod do. So all of us, we have that quest also, that okay, now I want to be going to the mountains. I want to do farming. I don't want to do anything. I just want to meditate, and I just want to be with my own self. And I remember I did decide that, and I went to my master, and he smiled, and he was like, yeah, go for it. As if was like, how, like that old wise shaman, he knows everything, that the child is going to come back more troubled. But it's always like that, okay, fine, go do it. And when I went there, I saw a very dark side of, I remember your question, but I'm just going to yeah, take you. Yeah. So I saw a very dark side of so-called cliche spirituality, where people have left their responsibilities, people would not take accountability.